Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because Microsoft has announced that they are extending the life of Windows 10 for the next 1 year. Means you can run Windows 10 on your computer for 1 year more. They are extending the life. They offer you a new program through which you have to enroll your Windows 10 machine to that program that is announced by the Microsoft, and once you enrolled into the program, you will get all the security and quality fixes and Windows updates. So if you love Windows 10 and you are the Windows 10 user and you want to keep running Windows 10 on your laptop, then this video is especially for you. So in order to enroll into the new program absolutely free, then first step is to update your Windows. That is mandatory. Once you updated your Windows, then we will use one third-party tool through the GitHub, and definitely we can enroll into the new program of Microsoft, and you will be able to run Windows 10 for 1 year more. So let's Windows update. Once you click onto the Windows update, it will take around 5 to 10 seconds, and you can see that there is a lot of updates are available, and some of updates have already been updated, and the computer need restarted. And obviously I'm going to restart this computer, so it will take little time, and once the computer is up to date, definitely we will resume the video. So I'm going to restart it and resume this video shortly. So you can see that Windows has been successfully updated. Now your second step is very simple. You have to go into the Chrome browser. Once you go into the Chrome browser, you have to download one tool. Through that tool you can extend your Windows 10 life for the 1 year, and it will be absolutely free. You have to enroll Windows 10. So our tool name is Flyo Obi. You will get the first link, then you have to click on that, then you have to scroll down it, then you have to click on to the this one, then you have to scroll down it again, and then you have Flyo Obi 1.10 new version. You have to download that. You can see that it has been successfully downloaded. Now I'm going to cut it and going to put inside the folder. Now I'm going to extract here. Through this tool you can enroll your Windows 10 machine to the Microsoft new launch program, so that you can extend the life of Windows 10 for the 1 year more, and then you will get all the quality fixes and security updates. Now right click on that, run as administrator, yes. Then you have to click onto the get Windows, then you have to click onto the and you have to select the last option, Windows 10 secure and until 2026 enroll in ESU. Then you have to select yes. Here you have to use little trick. You have to select one by one each option, and then you have to apply. Once you get the successful message, then your enrollment will be done. So first of all, the first option is selected. We will click OK. We will apply yes. Then we have to wait for a second. You can see that it is enabling your enrollment for Windows 10. So you have to, it is not get successful, the operation is failed, so you have to go for the second option. You have to select again, then you have to go for the second option and then hit OK, then yes. Once you get the successful message, it means that you have been enrolled successfully. It gets failed again, then you have to select the third one option, then OK, then yes. Wait for a second. And you can see that your enrollment is success, means you have been enrolled the Microsoft 10 program, which is especially for the Windows 10 Live, and your Windows 10 Live has been increased, and still you can use the Windows 10 and you can keep Windows 10 on your computer. Now you have to close that. You have been done successfully. Close that. Now you have to go onto the Windows update. You can see that your Windows has already updated and your program has been successfully enrolled. So thank you so much for watching this video. Now your Windows is activated for the 1 year more, and you can use Windows 10, keep using Windows 10 on your computer by using this simple technique. You have to apply one by one each option until unless you get a success message, and finally it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family, friends, and stay with your Windows 10. Bye bye. One thing which I forgot to mention you, that once you close your update and refresh your computer or restart your computer, you will get one more message. You can see that inside the Windows update, that is your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates, means it has been done. After the update, once you run the patch, once you apply the option, different types of option, once you get the successful message, then you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes and refresh your computer, or maybe you have to reboot your computer. Once you reboot the computer, you will, once you open, then after the reboot you will open your Windows update, you will get this: your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates. You will get this message. It means you have successfully enroll your computer into the Microsoft program. Thank you so much. Bye bye.